So today we are trying to find a trend that will be the most profitable in our future crypto market, crypto bull market. So what we're thinking, when we look at valuations, when we look at investments, when we look at money flows, we found that probably one of the most important and most probable trend for next bull run will be crypto gaming. Crypto gaming, which is trying to transfer from play to earn, so basically a game that does nothing just to earn tokens, which is not playable, which you do not play for pleasure, you just play to earn those tokens. That's changing to a concept that most call play and earn. So the difference is that you have to play and have to enjoy that game, just like regular games, and the earning factor is a second one. So you're playing, you're enjoying the game, you're having fun with your friends, and at the same time you're earning some tokens. And that is the future of gaming, not simple games that are not really enjoyable. You just do them to earn tokens, but both of those compared. So playability, pleasure from gaming, plus potential to earn some money together will be those that will boost crypto gaming into the future, into the adoption. So why we think that gaming is probably one of the main trends for future bull market. So just by looking how much money is being invested into crypto gaming. So if you look at this comparison, that's last quarter of 2021 when we had a bull market, and that's the first quarter of this year when we have a bear market. So total investments are close. This year, 3.5 billion. Last quarter of 2021, 3.9 billion. But mergers and acquisitions, so acquisitions in gaming, crypto gaming, in this year, first quarter of this year is 7.9 billion, which is like 3 times or over than 3 times more than year before. And then stock market listings are not really relevant. So we have about 3.5 billion invested in the first quarter. And in second quarter, that was probably something between 5 billion to 6 billion. If you Google that, you'll know for sure. So funds are there. Also, total gaming funding, so regular games, not only crypto games, 50% of that funding for the entire crypto gaming, regular gaming, was about 6 billion, and half of that went to crypto gaming. And crypto gaming for now doesn't really exist yet because all those games are being built. So that amount of money that is invested in those games that just are being built is remarkable. We also have Arabs with their Savvy Games group investing 37.8 billion into gaming as well. So if we will look at the trend, half of that should go into crypto gaming. So we do have money coming into gaming, into crypto gaming, so that turns us really, really bullish on that concept in crypto. And knowing that there's more users actually playing crypto games now than there are users of DeFi, so decentralized finance, which is also important, but it's not much in terms of potential users that will join and users that are already on those protocols. So that's why we are always trying to show you the best and the easiest way to invest in gaming. So because it's hard to find AAA games and invest in them for a good price, now obviously it's easier because we've got bear market, but in general it's hard. So games like Star Atlas, games like Big Time, and games like Illuvium, it's hard to find what else out there could become a nice game, playable game that will earn people's money and the token of that game will appreciate. So it's always easier to invest in platforms. So platforms on which those games will be run and built. That's why we always say that Immutable X is a no-brainer. It's an investment that is easier, safer, and should also be quite profitable. Because on Immutable X you've got NFTs, a lot of volume goes into NFT trading, and you've got good games like Gods Unchained, like Illuvium, like Black Lords or Block Lords, that medieval metaverse. So that's an easy play. So Immutable X is actually being adopted. Immutable X has volumes, so that is something that we highly recommend. Moreover, Immutable X is built with StarkNet technology, so-called ZK rollups or ZK snarks, which Vitalik Buterin, as we told you in the last video, informed on one of the interviews that this technology is as important as blockchains themselves. So it is a remarkable technology that we should pay attention to. Okay, so we've got Immutable X, but what else? And we did find another platform which uses ZK Snarks technology, which is Myria.com. That platform is much younger one, but they already have a lot of games. They've got almost 200, if not more games, that will also not have any gas usage because they're on ZK Snark technology. And they are quite fast adopted by developers. We don't see any AAA games here yet, but because that platform is newer, obviously we need to give them a chance, give them some leeway that maybe somebody will actually move and build something huge on that platform. The quick and large amount of games that came onto the platform in such a short time, gives us a quite optimistic view of that platform. And the fact that it's also built on ZK Snarks give us a tick number two. So all we need now is for them to market the platform and bring somebody huge to platform for that platform to show some success. So there's no token yet. So Myria.com, they don't have a token yet. In the latest interview, they said that token sale or token airdrop or whatever they decide to do will probably happen end of this year or beginning of next year. Obviously, depending on, I think, how market will behave. They've got few good games that look good actually, which is that cricket game. There's also some games like, let's see, the Meta Rush. That one looks quite good as well. So 2, 3, 4 maybe games look really good. And that platform, Immutable X, is valued at about 180 million. For this platform, we have a chance to take part in the IDO, or maybe in some token airdrop. So we do recommend following them their socials, for their Twitters, and try to stay up to date, because they may become big or they may disappear, but it's always worth watching somebody that is actually building something. They've got clients already. They've got B2C, B2B businesses, so they're quite diverse. So we're quite optimistic on that platform. So do have a check. Obviously, we do not recommend anything. We are not advisors or financial advisors, but that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be watching both Immutable X and how they do, and also Myria.com, how they are doing. Hope that helps, and have all the best.